again. Mentally, you move it. Almost there, I'm in fever.
And Jackets here and come out, baby, be a obia, aha, I get the Jenny so a Doom TV. Now, what you so your sign Asia, I would you, my dear, so Nanny say, your barber to chin come a senior a dear. Ya me did you, my dear, what you me dean at the Abena Ghana, then me guest, no, ya beko high life from Mokaka, and the yebetian your matronum, a senior a dear, into Jibre and Copebia. Answer na best at you, my dear, me faster the PSC and my above for Master saying, Nana, what you be a meeting with you, my dear, April, a time here about Misha, or some malaria, dear, where you are any time. I feel a give us clean care, lip tomato paste, and I saw your seeing did you, my dear, April, now what you be a Adum TV. So, me guest in autumnum, etronium, anymonum, it's nice and dear, and no more como, and a year baby dear, which my dear. So, me guest. QUARME ZAGGY. Papa, akwaba.
Enya.
Bibiabo ko.
Yanko pado bibiabo.
Na de na de free yanki breme.
Anyo man de bebre nti no yapon program ya.
Sao. Na wasesa. No akwosesa da ise doso.
Na say doso.
Na wasesa dia ba me.
Nti no make to kwan emphasis.
Kai you see the most so fine. How do you feel about this whole industry?
Industry there Enyo bebre nkoyie. Enyo bebre nkoyie na so no o ka
nkoyie ko bi so din
aye bibi enye ready say ebesesa
na wo hwe anka den na omotutu ne yi a ka mo ho betomo as high life artist and as a musician in Ghana.
Say utu kwan a reception aya unya as a musician. Sometimes we do airport baby now we identify almost say we a musician. Treatment I the man is different. Since you krum han. Yeah, you krum han na crave bit say adwum to adwuma no enhye da anya adwuma bia obetimi de ho ato so. Nti no ya na ye say we musician as a we bibi sounds so edika ho. The respect that's supposed to be attached
so the career no.
The career no. Ni ekrum han because enyoma bebre enkoso ha. Musicians know ebenya emfaso every year juma ye no.
But say on social media go for be posting them they making money out of music and music is giving houses, cars. I mean and no say no difference in what they are not to know.
Say no man nyina ye ntro.
O say
I mean say no man nyina ye ntro. Musicians bia or be post say or music no or dinya say can be ye ntro. Or ye be fufro na fetchinistica than the music, you know. Music, you know, even the people that are almost yes, they are on rotation on air, no crown. They are not making much.
Wow.
Yes, they are not making much. This will be posting. Maybe about third time or yes, the money is not coming from music.
But other source,
be now or yeah, and no fetchinistica.
Do you feel say other colleagues not making more than you?
No, and I'm meeting kind say making more than me, no, a relative.
Okay. Okay.
Perhaps I'm also making more than somebody.
But yes, I get it. You are a good singer. You've been there for long. And see, I say, oh, share more phrases. See, I know about no, baby. You say no. You say. I mean, and you would dream home say now the new money in there too.
Sa nyoma no bi ba na wa be na yeti ni kan be ni sa nyoma e nyoma bi a me for one no nya de a
your fe
anya say ye me fe nya de bi a like the pressure bring me
bro good
say oh NSC ni say because sabi adwuma ye encrabia ka ho destiny nso ka ho hits any page and me gidi say bibia woni mra anyame e de hihema no e bia obitimi ba starting music journey maybe the first 5 years of the career no otimi boom big kobe bia but e bia ko akire no na aye bibi foforo obi nso betimi struggle even maybe 2 decades. I mean ko akire no na afide na we star aswa a bright na aswa yes enti emi sa so be hiti obi ye we na machine mache there aya na emma ni nyemi we ni say I know I am good. I know I am better, and you know the piano. I take that opportunity to better myself, to learn new things. So me to kwine in me suanyoma bebre every baby a me kobia. What I say, I think say I keep upgrading myself to make sure say minchim
to be better than who you were.
Exactly. And me if I be me to how I used to be and where I used to be now. Me say I come him, and you know. Say like if you are singing anthem,
pressure, yes.
Some pressure because Nyankopon adumara kwa nyese bia comedy na yes and na bia the pressure be to me so say na adwuma me ye na say I don't blame anybody. What I say,
it's just the system.
Yes, the system is not working.
The system is not working,
and it's not only me that is complaining about the system not working. Wow. Every musician be a have complaining. The royalties,
nothing.
You know, sometimes na who release the crown now. How are you going to? I mean, get when royalties in the back? And I say, Sika, how are you going to get it back if Siankupuanya wadumna? Why hit song and shows because you can only get shows to play when your song becomes popular.
Yes, and then you also get ambassadorial deals, other things that comes with
it.
Yeah,
that is it. And you know, it is like say when your song is not popular, you are unemployed as a musician. Meanwhile, no, and Tessa out there, elsewhere, no, your song doesn't have to be too much popular to be able
you can be relevant.
No, to get something out of it.
Yes.
Well, but your system now, woman, it is
the
like
system is not working.
It has been there for so many years, and it'll still be the same.
What's it that say? Konfoki ka say, "Usuya kwabina say oto nyum say kwabina. Onyum bia ba obitia." Ah. What's kwabina nyum ye de pa obi so kwan kwabina nyum. What?
I mean, sometimes Mate.
They are feeling saying.
Me feel it. Me so sana me so me voice because voice America sana. Unim say just some few days ago me go interview baby and like when I was talking, the presenter said say, "Oh, Charlie. So what you actually plan out here, Rebecca? So what's me seeing a I was like, oh, I mean, and if you ask no, maybe Judy said, of course, this is it's something that I can't deny. Say, say that I will be a hypocrite. Say, me casa, and I say maybe I will be.
Some of the things you hear.
Yes,
I mean, the autonomy master kwabina. Say
it is. I quite me to say you chrome hano nkwana. Aya, you say a baby like when like be sounded like
somebody a big issue.
Nah, a big issues. You know, like because out there, no, a friend is saying Drake or Buffers and now sounded to say low wind. They were a friend saying 3 songs, not all sounded to say Neo, but they are all, I mean, enjoying. They are all making. I mean, they are all making money out of their craft. Yes. But you Chrome Hanum there is like a big issue when
it's a big deal.
Sound to say we sound now for now wow now they feel like a threat. They feel like a threat and they don't want to give you the platform to because they feel say no. This is your mentality in this way, you know. It is BBI hard drink.
So do you think there's anything you can do about this?
Who I am, I can't change who I am. Yes, because me can say if you are no BBI me just say yankopo ebo BBI mienu sometimes who will be obia or sell baby to me ko share obi say akwa when sell I say abena o ko share obi no say where the enka unio. Is it your fault to look like somebody?
You know, boy.
Exactly. It's you know, so they make Casano and you're my fault. Say me and
you can't do anything about it. I can't do anything about it. I mean, it's nature.
Listen, and Zanka, as I said, yeah, embrace it. Say you'll be at here, say you'll be in your piano. You should be like that.
Okay.
But me personally, it is not a problem to me.
Enti enyum ben pa na wabo a wan kasa ye ode pa.
The dama kuma so pa ye me de pa eye me new single me release.
Okay.
I want me Mr. Lover EP.
Okay.
So.
Okay.
And no the title ne a showbo.
A showbo. That's a ubi ooh. How? Una show so una obre.
Una obre enti.
Radi.
The old come from me hono and problem.
Ekutia o.
Independent. Independent maybe I will feel free. Say ekutia me de.
Kano kreche me kwa ekutia o.
We minia. Enti enyom no mame to kakra bi nkyerɛ.
Wo de to kyerɛ me na ye.
Ekutia.
Ekutia me de jenifo ne a ya dofo ye be hu.
So na umpe masema obi pe masem. So na umpe masema obi pe masemo. Sani uhumia na ubuefu no. Obi suhumia na neni aje. So na umpe masema obi ya da enti wotamia eshobo. Wichirimia. Nyami ye nya wo fa. Wa wo lie. Mini somebody sugar, somebody kuni, it be somebody sugar.
You try your home coaching cart or your bar as to the journey. Yakoji and Krato Abba, aha, a the journey so Adum TV, and me guest no, a ye QUARME ZAGGY and an energy drink comofia. Papa, I don't know free Ghana.
Ghana, Edding. You know, why training your depression bit me actual. I mean, depression at teaching for people. It's you so opportunity so bit me to quite cover beer. So, oh yeah.
Until dreams a lot of people go through stress, depression near their Ghana and Koyi.
Of course, Ghana, dear, wow, because a Ghana Koyi Mount and Ebia, or a Bam, Ebia Nioma Koyi Mount, but say, Unia Bamudia, I mean, and Koyi. Business wise, Bibia is slow, honestly, but we are there in Koka. Okoka, acquire politics. And we be nanka. I should be a
country ben akoi.
Me call South Africa, me call Europe, kaka, me call Dubai, kaka.
And he pan or what's nigh?
Me call tonight Europe, me call tonight Denmark.
Denmark, for how long?
Oh, for about 6 months.
6 months. Make what 6 months in
no, there be the Tiana said, and I'm a say Ghana no adding. And he, Kawaka. Yes, when him said, the Tiana said, what to quite kakra now, but once and why you refresh. And I'm about, and what's your apple kakra? Apple says, got the back there's a kakra. Maybe I can't see it.
Oh, come here to cover any kind of.
Yeah, mechanic. And then once I know I and you may be on my
stress.
Yeah, I'm kind of say, one young is, I mean, we wouldn't tell until when there's an opportunity, just use it and then. I mean, refresh yourself.
But now, no, you're sure a lot of platforms are multimedia revenue. BBT say YouTube, Audio Mag, Bobo Bichemi.
Yeah, Spotify.
Yes.
Nisa, this is what
like.
Yes, iTunes,
Yes.
and Nayana, being kakra to me.
But how would you go? Say,
of course, this almost all my songs are there. So see, this is where. Me revenues and also no me call South Africa. I registered with RISA, Recording Industry of South Africa.
Okay. And
a year because I say you had no nyoma bebre and work away hanum and to say before I obey nyomo no so make sure say obey registrants and we release it into register sa nyomo na amount QRS IS R code amount code bia ma touching nyomo nti bema audio visual de any audio no de no kwa nti the moment I be born nyomo ni bia no pick it.
Okay.
Nti the number of time, the number of minutes bia ya born nyomo no bia no ma osika wo benya nti baby a be born nyomo no over the world no bia no you take royalties every quarter no the amount. So most of we know that's where I get money from.
Na Ghana money be.
Yeah, industry no. Also systems be bring na nya djuma. Yentimi nya bibi abetimi attract say ye bonyum we say ye bonyum we say. I think say me titi say it be like some time ago na me say me shada nim organization needing more track who say enyuma
e ba so de.
And I make us a since I have pop plan there, then it means something that is working.
Okay.
Oh, and Tina Emma, your bread, it is only Gamro and ya assign it to someone Jessica and Famaye. Oh, now Gamro no so Sikana Bebano. And shada and you do for you to take care of you
yourself. Okay.
What I say.
Okay.
And I'm like doing music here no.
Now we champagne for betting so much to near year betting about the industry.
Then into we can do everything. Okay. At least seven penny for no so seven want to meet to coin. Mo yen penny for no more who the ekoso. And you know what are the other people doing
that
right?
You can do.
Yeah, into me yen.
I get you.
We can still do it. And let's see, I know BBI digital. We are in the digital world. And you know, and you may be brain now a local way, no, a movie, a digital world, no. And you know, then I'm here, I'm to me the track it, and you be a ebo. I have a fast system, no more, a bit me a generated sika among all the musicians.
Wow.
And you may be saying, I say, yes, but you see, your crew, no. I think, say, Senyoma Nkoya, somebody is benefiting from it.
You try your home coaching cart or your bar, it's still the journey. Jakaji and Krato Aba Augusto heard the journey at Adum TV. So, my guest, QUARME ZAGGY, to drink more and tea and enjoy it. Let's have fun together. Papa, now, yeah, Casa before you Jakaji and Krato. And to say, how many tracks now?
So see, me one album that.
Okay.
That was that's my old album and a lot of singles I want thing. But see, I'm currently I made 6 songs EP and mediaba.
Okay.
See, this is another me promote to see.
It's who say future no and you mutui. What ubejai and now because why and a passion into. And no one be Jacob BBI.
You mean dear, and yes, because Yankopo I saw the number my as you ready say.
Now, aside you sing, you know, other artists will have minimum cophobia, much and other musicians to sing. When will be our church on your Samano.
Oh yeah, and you Diana sometimes we go studio would miss Yanko for and you write it for them. But I mean, Shadanian say, "Me Juma me Tromanko." For when people approach me, so they want songs.
And me start rehearsals. Send you to an it's in the
of course, I mean,
voice and not me banner training me never no tribune.
So near the
away.
Go for you.
Many abrio. Hey,
Eddie Award,
you go pebinto.
I'm a man, you may want you baby.
And the 2022. Say it's the one.
Yes, starting. I mean, you
last words to all loved ones, fans, or BBI was supporting your career so far.
And that's they mean to me and Namasin, you know, from beginning to Obi Demi Bath or Demi Bass in Abena of Paradigm Entertainment, and now he's an Apostle Dr. Abena, you know, Medawasibibre. I mean, and to free home many Sami Flex of Flex Entertainment and so Ebeye Juma, and now we like a family. And Sami Flex is nipa prekope. I mean, me who the me nyankopon nhira no bebre. Me was social media platforms na so Kwame ZAGGY.
Kwame ZAGGY no boy, I think you should work on it. Ebene musa creative. So even when I was searching the page, me koye back you see no, this is not your current one. Second, to the
yes,
one.
I think say I'm verifying main media and the so that when you
that would be great.
Yes, so when you go nas and as also and you verify that yes, be straight up. That is what I'm working on. And I thank everybody for
it's been amazing having him on the show, and I've had a lot of fun. Minister wa feel so when he ajipa and chaka say nkoma aboafo a omasomasin abribia metimi the journey April e wo baby bia we time here by Mr. Osi malaria dey we do at time give us clean lip tomato paste and also ya senior the dwuma dey fefe adusuen April wo fie na also de bia otimi nya bibis kakra Edo so abrabos na support na push you to be where you want to be. Midi Eddie Abena Ghana bronga half for this year. Asemba ako na debia me catro. Misi nyame wo ma ebeye. Just share matter de ages dazzle. You can locate us on Instagram. And I say we will be our bubu ne. I mean beautiful style. So just WhatsApp or call us on 0545141123. I love you. The journey. Take this life, chill, make you know the rush, make you know the fear, cause when you